If you want to learn how to create professional looking thumbnails for your YouTube channel in a minute, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Rainbow Queen. My name is Mamta and welcome to this brand new video. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss such videos. So let's just get started with the video. To create a professional looking YouTube thumbnail, all you have to do is use ChatGPT application, and for that you don't need any kind of subscription. You can open it in your mobile phone or in your laptop and simply select a photo and then write a prompt. It is that simple to use it and you'll get a desired results. And you can also copy my prompt if you want. So the last step is to download the thumbnail, and if you're not happy with the thumbnail, you can obviously edit it, rewrite the prompt, and you can get the desired results. So this is the final thumbnail that I've created using ChatGPT, and here are a few more thumbnails that I've created before which are really liked it and are professional looking. If you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.